Basis Loaded Lacquer now has something new, and it's called Lush Lip Lacquer. These are tinted glosses, which I completely love tinted glosses. I'm not really a big lipstick person, so these are pretty cool. So she's got some different varieties. She's got unscented, she's got scented, she's got scented and flavored. So right here I've got a little bit of mixture. I don't have the unscented one because I love scents, but here is just a scented one. This one's strawberry scented. This one is scented and flavored, and it's watermelon. This one is scented and flavored, and it is coconut milk. I'm pretty sure these ones are scented and flavored, but yeah, and this one too. This one is called Bomb Pop, and it is sweet blue raspberry. Now this one was a special purchase. It is sold out. Sorry about that. I just got them in the mail today, and I'm quickly, as quick as I can, throwing up this video for you. So she did have a pre-order where you could pick, you know, different scents and different sizes. They come in, there's a few different sizes. I think this is the smallest size. Yeah, I know this is the smallest size. And then this is the next size up, which I'm not sure what it is right now, maybe 8 mLs. Let's say. Maybe this one's the 10 ml. I don't know. But it looks like, did I get 3 different sizes here? I don't know. Yeah, this one's small. See, put these by size. So this one is the small one, and the next size up, and the next size up. Anyway, so she's just kind of playing with these for now. She did have a pre-order, but I don't see that one up on her website anymore either. She does have some on there, so I'll just put a quick clip in here. So here's what's on the website right now, and here's some of the flavors and the different scents and the different sizes she has. There's a little blurb about the lacquer, and then there's descriptions on what the lacquer's like. Like I always say, you should enter, you should join the Basis Loaded Lacquer Bleacher Creatures on Facebook, because you will find out a lot of different information about stuff she's doing, stuff that's coming up, and you might really enjoy that. So if you love lip gloss, I suggest you check these out. Okay, the one I have on is right here. It's watermelon. Oh my gosh, I don't really know what it tastes like, but it smells really good. All right, want me to taste it? It's just like a tint of color on your lips, which is totally what I love to wear on my lips. I'm not a big lipstick person, but this is cool. It's not sticky. It's really moisturizing. All right, I'm gonna taste it. I don't know what it tastes like, really. It's supposed to taste like watermelon. It's sweet. I mean, not like real watermelon or anything like that. It would just be like probably watermelon candy or something like that. But anyways, it smells amazing. I totally love it. This is really cool. Okay, so I'm super excited about the watermelon one. Very, very fun. Okay, the one I have on right now is called Coconut Milk, and it smells just like that shredded coconut in the bag. It is so cool. It is a scent. It is a flavored one. Oh, I'm not gonna. I don't want to. I want to taste it. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. It's supposed to be a flavored one. Pretty sure I picked flavored, but that's okay, because I'm really not gonna be licking my lips with it on, because yeah, I just don't do that. Even if it is flavored, it's just like in case it accidentally gets into my mouth, then it might taste okay. Otherwise, it just really doesn't taste like anything, I guess. Anyways, I totally love this one too. This one is sheer. It's like no color, because I don't see a color in my lips. So this is cool. Loving this one. Okay, this one is called Bomb Pop, special for 4th of July that she did. It's supposed to taste like blue raspberry. You guys gonna make me taste it? I don't know. I don't get the flavors, but it smells really good. It's very blue. Yeah, kind of blue around the edges of my lips. You can kind of rub it in a little and get some of the blue color off, but it's pretty pigmented. I mean, it's sheer. It's sheer. It's not like lipstick, but it's kind of blue. Makes your lips kind of look blue. This one I have here is a strawberry scented one. It's just scented. It's not flavored. And it's kind of like a cocoa, kind of like a mocha color in this little tube. And it doesn't appear that way on my lips at all. I think it's kind of clear. But this one smells amazing too. I'm kind of in a red, white, and blue mood. I know it's still several weeks before the 4th of July, but I got this and I really want to create some nail art to match it. So let's get started. As usual, I'm going to be applying a base coat first. I put Hollow Tucker protective peel on these two fingers. That's where I'm going to be doing some sponging. Apparently, I still don't know the record button from the pause button, and I missed the whole entire first coat. Basically, actually, I did not do, sometimes they put like the lightest color on all over the nail and then sponge it. I just sponged the 3 colors straight onto, the base coat. I didn't put any, base nail polish underneath it. So this is, basically just the second coat of polish. The blue I'm using is Chick Stick the Long Ball. The white is Shutout. And the red is AB negative. And I do like sponging. I just don't do it very much. I don't know why, because I love the look. It's so cool looking. But I don't know. Maybe I'll try getting it into it a little bit more. Now, when I cut down my sponges, I always cut down the width so that it's not really wide, because my nails are pretty narrow, and I don't see the point of wasting a whole bunch of nail polish on a big side of sponge. So I kind of like doing it that way. And this is the 3rd coat. However, I could have gotten away with 2. I should have just stopped at 2 coats. That would have been plenty. But went ahead and did the 3rd coat. And now I'm just peeling off the protective peel. I just like to roll my finger over it. That comes off normally easy for me. It didn't really this time, but yeah, I can't do the tweezer thing. The other nails I'm just going to paint all blue. Oh, just an FYI, if you're using the Hollow Taco protective peel, make sure that, as for stamping, I didn't notice that if the coat isn't that thick, it's, it doesn't really matter. However, if you're doing something like this, make sure you get a really good thick coat on there or it doesn't work real well. And what I mean by not working real well, it just was really hard to get off. And I kind of made a mess of my cuticles anyway, so there's that. I think 1 coat of this is good. Now I'm going to put my long-lasting top coat on. And here is the finished mani. I like how it came out. I think it's super cute. This will be a great 4th of July look, and I hope you like it too. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.